Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to delete all posts on Facebook. Yes, this time we shall be looking at the easiest way to delete all your posts on Facebook. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to a device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Facebook. Now once you open your Facebook, then you click on your profile at the top left corner. Now once you click on that, you can see this works on both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter the one that you are using. You can see in front of your see dashboard, you can see the three dots over here. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you can see activity log. Just click on this activity log and you can see so many options, but the first option says your post. Just click on manage your post and you can see all your posts over here. Now you can just click on the one you want to delete. You can just click on the specific ones you want to delete, but if you want to delete all at once, you can see all. Just click on all, and once you click on all, you can see all you need to do is to click on trash, and that's it. So you can see over here now all is selected. So with this you can select all your videos on all your posts on Facebook at once, and then delete all of them within a twinkling of an eye. So with this you can delete all posts on Facebook at once. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video